Okay, roadside fine wood lathe here. Now, motor works. Switch is okay. So, that's great. However, the squirrels, decided to eat the wood. I was able to get one of the covers off. I played around with that last night. So I'm gonna get you guys set up here and I'm gonna take the rest of this apart. Brass. They're missing the nuts too. There was only one of them holding it on. Well, that's nice. Someone used a nut from one of these because they broke the head off. Well, that's great. 11/32. That's what it calls for. All right, there we go. I'll round the head off this. That ain't junk. It's pretty much junk too. Okay, let's get this off. There we go. All right, so I soaked it down for a bit. Let's see what happens. All right, got her loose. Finally. Finally. Now, this screw finally out. And, oh, it's not even a screw, it's just all thread. Huh. Hopefully, anyway. This is bad. All right, got that all thread out. Look how bent that up is. Junk. Oh, well, look what I found. I'll be able to knock that out now. Here we go. How dirty that is. That's been in there for a long time. All right. Got the rust dissolver by Rust-Oleum here. The tailstock nut. Covers. Stop. And all the assortments of nuts and bolts and Gibbs screws and all that. Except this one's junk. Alright, let's start cleaning. Alright, that'll be all for this episode. I got to get ready for work now, so I'm going to let this do its thing. So stay tuned for the next episode when I show you how to pack the bearings in the lathe. Also, I inspect the spindle just to make sure it's not been tore or welded together or whatever, because that wood pulley could hold some secrets that I just don't know until I crack it open and see what happens. That's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.